Hey friends, we'll be back again to part 2 of this calculator on using Excel. Now here again, today we are going to just see how can we take care of, if I show you again before wasting time, if you try to click back again here on our program, sorry for that, just come back in here, just going to click this. If you come back in here on our program, I think you can see all these other stuffs are working very well. As you can see, they are working up, no? Now we didn't take care of the dot and then these operators. But remember, before winding up, I happen to declare some functionality in our program. If you double click up, we declared some stuffs here. Maybe I can just change this one to be a capital letter so that I don't confuse some of you later on in the program. So that's it. I already have that so far with me. So I said we already took care of this right from number 0 to number 9. Let us now take care of the dot very fast, and then this clear buttons also we took care of in the first section. So let's just take care of this dot very fast, and then we can proceed with other stuffs. Now take care of the dots. This is what we have to add there. Just say if what? If in string, if it is an string variable, you can always click enter. If at all you have been using Visual Basics, you can always click the enter and generate what the codes will be in. But if you are here, don't do so. So here will just be text box 1.text, because that's what we're going to be having there. If text box 1.text, and after getting text box 1.text will be a comma, and then here we shall just be having one on us a dot there, and then we shall say then, because we say this, if that's it, then it is going to be equaling to a 0. You get? Then what should we do? I'm simply trying to say if it is a string and text box 1 and is having a dot somewhere, then equate it to be equal to 0. That implies whenever someone presses it more than twice or more than one time, then it will not be in the position to continue anymore. Otherwise, text box 1.text is equal to having one as text box 1.text. Sorry, is equal to having one as text box 1.text. This very statement here, which we are having there, then plus the plus sign. That implies we expect it to be only once in the program, not twice. A plus and the dot, which is there. So I can simply say we have already taken care of that by just ending also one another with end if. So whenever we have the end if, that implies the stuff is done. So this is it. So if you happen to click back in here, try to say that's it, point that. You cannot again press dot because we have already taken care of it here by we saying somewhere that if it is a string, then that implies we should only get it once by we saying it's going to be equating to 0. So next time someone happen to click on the program, expect only be once. So my friend, that's really taken care of. Let us just take care of these operators very fast so that you can proceed. Now take care of the operators. Remember, up on the program here I've already declared these stuffs which I've already taken care of. So let's just go back inside here, just click on the plus sign, and we see how can we start taking care of that very fast. Now remember, we already said first number, which is this one, which is a double. Copy that very one. We are going to be taking care of it in this. So double click there and just put that very stuff which you said first num. Now this first number is going to be having one as text box 1.text. Oh sorry, text box 1.text. That implies our first name is going to be text box 1.text. Otherwise, it's also going to be text box 1.text, which is going to be equaling to that very operation, which is addition. Otherwise, the operation is what? Now get me here, this kind of bit confusion. I'm saying first number is equal to text box 1.text. Otherwise, text box 1.text is equal to nothing by default, though we shall be having the operation which is equaling to that very stuff we had there, which is a plus sign. Sorry for confusion there, that I happen to pass you through. Now this operation you have seen here is this very stuff we have on the top of the program there. So that's it, my friends. So we are saying first num is equals to textbox1.text, and then textbox1.text is equals to nothing, and then operation is equal to having that stuff. So my friend, that's it. Take care of, you just make sure that now you take care of the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So that's it. Finalize it, then I can come back with you. Hey my friends, I think I'm done with that stuff. If you cross check now, try to see how that so far is working up. You can see it's working up and there's no error so far. So let's just take care of this equal button so that we can simply say the calculator is done within a period of less than 20 minutes. So what I'm going to simply talk about in the equal sign here. Now in the equal sign, there's one thing we said is second num. Just copy the second num. That's what we're going to be using it from. So double click that, just go to second here on, I'll say double click or the other stuff, and just double click on the equal sign, double click on the equal button, and add this one, add that one there, which is going to be first second num is equal to having text box 1.text, and then what we're going to be having after then, we're going to say if the operation in this case around might would have been, or it is addition, is like trying to say what if an operation, this one here, what if an operation is addition, then what? Then if an operation is addition, then that implies the answer we had there up, or we're having the answer, then the answer is same as having maybe second num plus first num. That's it, and that's what you're going to be having there. That's first second num is equal to having second num plus that implies we're going to simply saying answer is equal to second num plus first num. Or if that one kind of confuse you, then just try to change this very fast. That's it. So saying that first num is equal to second num, actually answer is equal to first num plus second num. Then otherwise you're going to say text box 1 dot text is equal to the answer. That's it, my friend. So I think that part's already done. So one thing you're going to do, we're just going to write else if. So I'm just going to give some space there so that you guys can see the difference. Else, what should we say there? Else would like this operation, if it is something else, would like it to continue giving us the condition. So else the operation there, operation, what if operation is not addition, what should happen? We expect to be a subtraction, and then that implies the rest of the codes is just going to be the same, and that's it. You get? So this is going to be just also subtraction there. So my friend, without wasting time, just copy these very codes very fast and we save time. So that's it. This is going to be, this was subtraction, this is going to be maybe multiplication, put it around there also, all of those places, and then come back here also, put the division, and you also here division, and that's it. The pieces of codes done. But also don't forget, whenever ending a program, we end with and if. Whenever you in Visual Basic VBA, we end with and if. Don't forget that. So that implies when I happen to run this program and you say 7 plus 8 or plus 9 should give us 16, and then say times 3 members, that's it. And we can always click clear and say 3 times that's 6 divided by 5 should give us 1.2. Members, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to OSP channel. I think you love the video. The color is very nice. I think you can see it's very unique, it's very special, and that's it. So members, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time to watch my video. If there's anything you're asking, please you can always tell me down there. Make sure you comment down, like, share to your friends. Thank you friends, love you all.